So let us start the domestic electric circuits. We have done till now the working of generator. In the domestic electric circuits, let us see how the wiring, the block diagram of the wiring, how it is done in the domestic purpose, like for a household purpose. Now for the household purpose, two wires come from the pole. Now see, these are the two wires. One is the red wire, the other one is the black wire. The red wire is called a live wire. The black wire is called the neutral wire. The live wire is at 220 volts electric potential. The neutral wire is at 0 volts electric potential. The red wire is at 220 volts or live wire is at 220 volts. Neutral wire is at 0 volts. Now this live wire and neutral wire are made to first pass through the fuse box. Okay, the main fuse box. The fuse you have already seen is a safety device. What is the function of the fuse? What it does is, whenever the current exceeds the prescribed limit, it will melt and break the circuit. Thereby it protects the, what you can say, electrical appliances which are connected. So after passing through this main fuse box, okay, these wires are then made to pass through the electric meter. And what does the electric meter do? The electric meter will show how much current you have used. And after passing through the electric meter, okay, these wires are made to pass through the distribution box. This distribution box contains the main switch and fuses for different circuits. Now this is the distribution box. Now there are different fuses for different circuits because the electric bulbs, the tube lights and the fans use, say, mainly 3 to 4 amperes of current. The mixers, juicers, grinders, the refrigerators and all use different current. They may be using 7 to 8 amperes. And then the heaters, the air conditioners, they use a larger current. So all these are connected with the different circuits because they need different fuses. Okay, because the fuse rating or the current rating of each of these devices appliances is different. As a result, different circuits are required for different electrical appliances which use or which draw different amounts of current. Okay, they all cannot be connected with the same fuse. Okay, different fuse rating. A fuse wire of different rating has to be used for different appliances which use or which draw different quantity or different amount of current. Okay, now this is the distribution box which contains the main switch and the fuses. After passing through the distribution box, okay, these live and neutral wires are connected in parallel to the different electrical appliances. These are the sockets, plug sockets. Okay, the upper socket to the pin of upper pin, live wire is connected, you can see, and to the lower pin, neutral wire is connected, and the third one, which is a larger one, to that another green colored wire is connected, and this green colored wire is called the earth wire, or we call it as the earthing. The main function of the earthing is to bypass the leakage currents to the ground or to the earth, thereby preventing shocks. Okay, now this earth wire is usually green in color and it is connected to the third pin, which is a bit larger in color. And the main function of the earth wire or the earthing wire is to bypass the leakage currents which may give a shock, thereby preventing electric shocks. And you can see all these gadgets are connected in parallel. What is parallel connection? Gadgets or appliances are said to be connected in parallel if they are connected between the two common points. You can see these same common points. All these three gadgets. I have shown here only 3 pins. You can have many also. Like each and every room, all the gadgets are connected in parallel. And the main advantage of connecting in parallel is each appliance can be operated independently through a different switch. Whereas if you use a series connection, what will happen is these appliances, if you switch it on, all the appliances will switch on or all the appliances will switch off. That is the main disadvantage. But if you use them through parallel connection, you can operate or switch on each and every appliance independently through a separate switch. This is the main advantage of what you can say parallel connection of electrical appliances. Okay, so this is about the domestic electric circuits. You can draw this diagram and I will just show you the notes. You can take down these notes in your fair book also. Take down these notes also.